Let's probably hear much colder temperatures on the way, and also some other stuff coming in. We'll start by taking a look at the expected snowfall across the... How many times have I told you not to do this to me when I'm doing a briefing? You got it? Okay, let me wipe this off my face for a minute here. All right. Back to the briefing. As you can see, not the heaviest snowfall across the area, mainly lower elevations anywhere from 1 to 4 inches depending on where you are. Still a little uncertainty as to where the banding will set up, but the most affected areas right now look to be Rock Springs up to Casper, maybe from the Riverton down to Lander area, around the Bighorn Basin probably the least. And of course the western mountains looking at anywhere from 4 to 8 inches, but that's no big deal this time of year obviously. And as far as the timing of the greatest impact, it looks like a Wednesday event across the western mountains, heading further east out toward the Bighorn Basin and areas east of the divide, look more like a Wednesday night to Thursday morning time frame. Now even in around the Buffalo area, I want to emphasize, not a lot of snow there, it's going to be a lot of strong winds, so there could be some blowing and drifting snow there as well. The other thing I want to emphasize, and this is probably the bigger story, is the much colder temperatures coming in. These are afternoon highs for Wednesday. You can see these are actually above normal for this time of year, pretty nice, getting close to 50 in some areas. Take a look at the lows. This will be for the morning of the 24th, not Christmas Eve, but the night before. Minus 10s across the area, but with a little bit of wind out there, look at how it's going to feel there. I see some minus 30s in there across Jeffrey City, so if you're heading out to do some last minute Christmas shop, you got to make sure you really bundle up. As far as the index, again, travel, it's going to get a little bit rough tomorrow. Western mountains during the day. Most areas east of the divide should be okay during the daylight hours, moving east of the divide as we head toward the evening hours, especially I think late at night from about 11 o'clock to about 8 o'clock will be the worst area. Again, snow not the heaviest snow we've ever seen. Basically 1 to 4 inches across the lower elevations, more across the higher elevations, obviously. And another quick shot of snow coming in Friday, but not a lot of accumulation. But the big story, again, cold. Temperatures are going to drop substantially again. Lows well below 0, I think it's on Saturday night. And wind chills maybe as low as 30, and that's dangerous. You could get frostbite there if you're outside for just 10 or 15 minutes if it's exposed skin. And you see our resources here. You can see for road conditions as well as weather, and also our webcams by route if you want to take a look at the conditions for yourself. Have a good holiday, everybody.